Okay, once you completed the process of noun analysis, okay, and then you found the good candidate, okay, for the nouns, okay, for that specific application domain. Okay, so you go to the next step, which is domain driven design. Okay, how to connect that kind of concept into the readable graphical notation and so on. Okay, we call it as a domain driven design, meaning that we design based on the domain information. Okay, so a single unified domain model is not possible, of course. Okay, a single unified domain model is not possible because for the domain application, okay, for the application domain convert into the application software, actually you need to have external, okay, external domain or supporting domain and so on. Okay, you cannot have a single domain model. Okay, so how to do that? You need to break down the domain model into multiple related model. Okay, so the idea is that you need to identify the core domain. Okay, the core domain actually you can develop this core domain from the result from the noun analysis. Okay. So breaking down into the multiple domain, we call it as a subdomain from the core domain. Okay, subdomain can be generic or supporting domain. It must be business oriented focus. Okay, so all domain must be connected through the context mapping. If you break down the core domain into the multiple domain, okay, so you need to connect these domains together, okay, by using the technique of the context mapping. Okay, context mapping. What is context mapping? Okay, context mapping actually the relation between the domain. Okay, can context mapping can be RESTful API, web services, the popular one JSON and XML, or microservices. Okay, actually this is the technical aspect. Okay, how to connect the domain. Alright. Okay, so the next one is the bounded context. Okay, but actually bounded context contains of the related components, concept, and their relationship. Okay, we call it as a bounded context. Okay, and bounded context is a specific concept that can only belong to one bounded context, meaning that the result from the noun analysis, okay, can only have the specific concept. Okay, for example, if you do the healthcare domain, okay, you need to the bounded context must related to the healthcare domain only. Alright.